Kemo no. Today, we're going to learn how to express yourself when you want to eat and a few sentences you can say about your food or during eating times. Now, the first thing we're going to learn again is that nri is food. Now, when you're hungry, you can say ago na gum to mean I am hungry. Or you can say achorom iri nri, I want to eat. Now let's say it again. Ago na gum, I am hungry. Achorom iri nri, I want to eat. Achorom iri nri, I want to eat. Something else we can say would be tinyekwuoro m nri. Again, tinyekwuoro m nri, put some more food. Tinyekwuoro m nri, put some more food. We can also say nye m nri, give me some food. Nye m nri, give me some food. We can also say afo ejugo m, my stomach is full. Afo ejugo m, my stomach is full. Say it with me. Afo ejugo m, my stomach is full. Aha m bụ Oriakụ Princess Enyinna-Okoro nke si n'Igbo dị mma, ebe anyị na-akụziri ụmụaka na ndị ka na-ebido ebido asụsụ Igbo ka ha ghọta ya. Aga m ahụ unu mgbe ọzọ. Ngwanụ ka ọ dị.